I humbly accept and proudly accept this award. And the second half of my speech, thank you. I am honored to a degree that I cannot tell you for being honored by this organization and this community.
Pope Leo XIV just issued his first apostolic exhortation, and it was on love and compassion for the sick, the elders, the vulnerable, and the suffering. Archcare has listened to St. Lawrence. Archcare has listened to Pope Leo. You have listened because you're here tonight to support the real treasures of this community, our elders, our forgotten, our struggling, our poor, our orphaned, our addicted, our alone.
Healthcare has always followed Jesus' example of caring for the whole person, body, soul, and spirit, and honors God's healing presence in the sacraments that our chaplains bring to the sick, as well as through the accompaniment every caregiver provides. And that can simply mean to listen more than we speak, to remain calm even when others are in chaos, to value people exactly as they are and not as we think they should be, and to recognize that a gentle presence can turn a clinical presence and space.
That excellence in care begins with aligned purpose. Archcare's faith-based, holistic approach to serving those most in need fits seamlessly with our own philosophy, that every patient deserves not just exceptional rehabilitation, but care that restores mobility and confidence. Together across Archcare's post-acute and PACE settings, we've expanded rehab, from the fast-paced units at Mary Manning Walsh to the specialty hospital at Mother Cabrini, and the growing short-term rehab programs at Carmel, Richmond, and Egger. Our teams have enhanced neuro rehab at Terrence Cardinal Cook and Ferncliff, and improved workflows and staffing at Providence Rest and St. Vincent de Paul, always focused on delivering seamless, high-quality care that promotes independence and continuity. We've seen the results: improved outcomes, stronger transitions between levels of care, and a more cohesive interdisciplinary.
Humbly accept and proudly accept this award. And the second half of my speech, thank you. I am honored to a degree that I cannot tell you for being honored by this organization and this community. You are wonderful. I look out there and see people nodding their head. Love, empathy, community. This is what we need in our world. I was raised with empathy. It's how I was raised. The core of what I am, and charity. We were taught Maimonides' 10 laws of charity, the top 3 being a blind man is sitting there with pencils in the can. You go up, you put $1 in, you take a pencil. That's 3. Number 2, you put $1 in, you don't take a pencil. Number 1, you put $1 in and you don't let him even know you were there. That's how I was raised. It is how I was raised. It is the community care
that we're action. At Archcare, we're not just expanding buildings, we're expanding our promise. We are developing comprehensive programs that not only provide state-of-the-art clinical care for individuals with dementia, but also offer critical support, education, and respite for the families and the caregivers who walk alongside them. Your generosity tonight will directly fuel this expansion. It will help us create more safe havens for those who are struggling, innovate new models of care, and provide a shoulder to lean on for families who feel they are alone.
Congratulations.